Hello tubers and welcome to the Piston Alignment Workshop. Today we're talking jugs of the Yamaha variety. We're continuing with the Cafe Racer. We're doing a bit of we're doing a bit of a engine strip down. So I just wanted to kind of bust a myth here. When I decided to do this, I was looking into how to make it a bit quicker, as such, as any good engineer would.
Shoot it off a cliff.
Yeah. No, I want to ride it.
Oh, ride it off the cliff.
Right. So anyway, the question being, will an XS250 bottom end fit 400 barrels? The answer is yes. But I'm going to show you specifically, if I can say it, how. So these are our jugs, or barrels, depending which time in the world you're from.
Off the 250.
Here, off the 250. Yes. Square ones, which are a bit rank, but yeah, they do the job all fine. I have purchased a set of 400 jugs, nice and curvy in shape, big gaping holes. Yes. So, the 250 is an 81, the 400 was a 78. I read online before deciding to do this that some people say yes they fit, some people say no they don't, but I couldn't really find a definitive answer, so I thought I'd put one out there for you. If you're doing this, don't pick the double overhead cam. That will definitely not fit. So these are the single overhead cams. This was an American import, and this is the UK spec. We got the engine block behind us, so I'm just going to prove to you now that they do fit. That all the lines, holes line up, and the pistons go on as well, because I've got pistons too. Okay, here we have the engine block of the Yamaha. When you take this off on the 250, the base gasket that on ours stuck behind, because obviously they always do, had very small holes. But don't be put off by that, because if you remove that gasket, it does reveal this sexy open hole either side. Aperture, good word, yes, like it. Now, this is one of our original pistons, as you can see. They're just 250, basically. Oh, the stuff you sprayed stinks.
Yeah, sorry.
And then this is our 400.
It's dried up my nose.
Look at the size difference in that. So this is improved already. Just looking at this, the gudgeon pin in the centre there, just to prove that is the same diameter. This fits nicely into that one. That one does have a serve clip in it, so a bit tricky to get through. But right, this piston by itself, this is a 200cc, obviously because it's twin, and but this one's only 125. So the speed that we're going to get, hopefully, from this is vastly improved. But anyway, that's pistons.
About 10 miles an hour.
No, it won't. It'll be more. So the other piston's already on there, so I'm just going to put this one on my rod. Line it up. I just took it off the chute though. I'll push the gudgeon pin through, that will. I'll probably edit this bit because you know what I'm like. Anyway, well that's on.
Look at the lights nearly out.
Yeah. So that's the new piston's on. The gasket, old gasket's been removed. You must do that because if you try and do it first just to check, then you'll end up wedging your gasket in your barrel, and it'll be a pain in the ass to get back off, and you'll probably damage something. So we'll get the jugs now. So they're
Oh fuck man, you're not another life fitting.
yeah. Now, last time I said this, it went terribly wrong. I'm going to attempt to fit this for YouTubers now. So just to prove a point. So these are our new 400 barrels. As you can see, all the studs sticking up there, and it is going on lovely. I'm just going to put the chain up.
With the piston fitting tool.
I don't need that just yet. Oh, if I didn't get a chain for you. That's it. There we are. See. Right, if this is edited, it obviously didn't work, did it? Oh! So, these are pre-lubed. And get down and have a proper look. Oh, spunk. Oh.
expect the full.
I'm getting better at fitting these pistons now.
Because you took the rings off.
Does it look like I took the rings off?
Yes. Oh, yeah, right.
Nope, hang on. I've got my chain stuck this time. Oh, you didn't. There we go. And like that. Hey, that went too bad. That was pretty good. So, there you go. Just to prove the point that
We're
the
not
top end...
professional.
Yeah, we're not professionals. The top end will fit. The head obviously goes straight on this. We're going to have to do a bit more fine tuning to this, get it all right. But this basically for a bit of consumer advice for anyone out there that's doing the same as we are. I know it's quite a popular engine. They're not the fastest bikes, but people do like them, and we bought one, so we must have something for it.
You're giving it.
Well, we bought it. So,
One of our subscribers.
it was generally donated to us. Yeah, anyway, so there you go, tubers. That fits. This will probably get cut out because it's quite a long video now. Please like and subscribe. Watch all our other videos. Find us on Facebook. Yeah. Yeah, stay notified and see you again.